Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Mariano Juliet Melad. I am 45 years old. My height is 148 centimeter. I do not have any long-term medication or maintenance. I do not have any history of serious illness or disease. I do not have tattoo on my body. I do not have any allergy in food and pets. I am married and I have 3 children. I am a high school graduate. I do not have work experience in Hong Kong, but I have work experience in Saudi Arabia from year 2024 to 2026. My duties are take care of healthy grandpa and disabled grandma. I do house cleaning, laundry, ironing clothes, and cooking Arabic food and marketing. I am willing to take care a newborn baby, children 1 year old and above, healthy grandma and grandpa, taking care of cats, big and small dogs. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and other dishes, gardening, car washing, marketing, house cleaning, laundry, and ironing clothes. I am willing to share work with Filipino and Indonesian maid. I am willing to share a room if I do not have my own servant room. I can sing a lullaby or nursery rhymes song for your young baby and kids like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I choose to work in Hong Kong because of good condition and high salary so that I can provide the needs of my family. I hope mom and sir you will hire me. Thank you.